Hey guys, it's Mansell here, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you the So Cool Fridge from the Shopkins Season 2. Before we go ahead and get started, we'll just take a quick look at the packaging, and it says, Shopkins, once you shop you can't stop, and this is intended for ages 5 and up. And in the bottom right hand corner it says So Cool Fridge, and it says over 35 stickers to decorate your fridge. And on the back of the box it says shopping just got cooler. The So Cool Fridge is the coolest way to store and display your Shopkins. Store over 25 Shopkins, crack up over the wobbly eggs. The excitement never ends because once you shop you can't stop. And under that we have some artwork, and it says includes 2 exclusive super cool Shopkins. Okay, so here is our cute little fridge and all the accessories out of the box. So I'll go ahead now and take a closer look. So included you get these 2 adorable little shopping bags done in purple, and these are great to put your Shopkins in. You get 2 sheets with a total of 35 stickers to decorate the fridge with. This yellow cup. You get 2 exclusive Shopkins, one being this dessert, and one being this soda. And here's our fridge, and I'll just give you a 360 of that. The fridge consists of 4 compartments, and in the top left hand corner we have the ice maker. To use the ice maker, place one of the Shopkins inside, close the door, and using the yellow cup that's provided, press against the blue lever. We have a frozen Shopkin. Below the ice maker we have this pull-out compartment where you can store some of your Shopkins. To the right of the compartment we have the freezer, where you can store even more Shopkins. Above the freezer compartment we have the fridge door, and you can decorate that with the stickers provided. Inside the fridge door we have the egg tray, which includes 6 adorable mini Shopkin eggs. And here's one up close, and you can see how cute she is. The egg tray itself acts like a seesaw by moving the little lever there in the front. Below the egg tray we have another shelf, which you can store 4 Shopkins. In the back of the fridge we have a little yellow light with a heart on it, and under that we have the temperature gauge. In the front there we have 2 pink shelves, and those are adjustable. And the shelves are a great way to store all your Shopkins because look how cute they look. Okay guys, that was a look at the So Cool Fridge from Shopkins Season 2. Comment below and tell me what you think of it. And until next time, thank you again for watching. And please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram in the link in the description below. And I look forward to seeing you same place, same time tomorrow.